How to fix volume control not working on Android? Firstly, you need to restart your device. A simple restart can help you fix different kinds of glitches like volume control not working on your device. You need to slide towards restart or reboot and restart your device. Second step you need to follow is make sure there is no any physical obstructions around the volume button. Make sure it is clean and safe. The third step is to check volume settings. Go to settings on your device. And here you need to simply tap on sound and vibration and ensure that the volume settings are not set to mute or too low. As we can see that the media sound or volume has been set too low and it has been made to silence. You can simply use the sliders and then you can slide towards the right. Once you have used the sliders and then adjusted the volume, you need to check whether your volume controls are working well or not on Android. If not well working, you need to check for the software updates. Come to the settings section and tap on the search bar and type in updates. If you find the software update, tap on it and open the software updates. If there is any updates for your software, you need to tap on download and install any easily software update on your device. If none of this step works, you need to replace your volume buttons. If there is any volume button issues on your Android device, you need to go to the technicians and easily replace those volume buttons to fix volume control not working on Android. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.